Two guys get the same hair transplant, same number of grafts, same balding pattern. One pays $4,000, the other pays $20,000. On paper, it's the same procedure. In practice, it is not even close to the same thing. So what actually explains that gap? It's almost never the technique. FUE and FUT is just methods for moving hair. What actually drives the price and the result is who is doing the work. A board-certified surgeon doing every extraction themselves costs more than a clinic that hands most of the procedure to a technician you'll never meet again. You are not paying for a technique. You are paying for a person's hands, their judgment, and how many times they've done exactly this. Before any of that, there's a question almost nobody asks first. Are you actually a good candidate? Transplants move hair from the back and sides to the front and top. That only works if the donor area is stable and dense enough to give something up. If your loss is still active and spreading, moving hair into a zone that keeps thinning is a losing trade. A responsible clinic will tell you to get your shedding under control with medication first. If a consultation skips that conversation entirely and goes straight to a price quote, that's a red flag on its own. Which brings us to the red flags that actually predict a bad outcome. Watch for a consultation that's really a sales pitch, pressure to book, same-day discounts, a surgeon you never actually meet before the day of surgery, and before and after photos that conveniently never show the donor area up close. Real results photograph the whole picture. If a clinic only shows you the front, ask why. So what does this actually cost realistically? In the US, expect somewhere around $4 to $7 per graft at a reputable clinic, and a typical case runs $1,500 to $4,000 grafts. Do that math and you land in the $8,000 to $20,000 range for a real procedure done properly. Prices well under that usually mean a technician-run clinic, and prices well above it usually mean you're paying for a brand name, not better hands. So before you ever ask about price, ask this instead. Who is actually performing my procedure, and how many have they personally done? That one question tells you more about your outcome than any number on a quote. Follow Balding Out Loud for more hair loss science, no BS.